Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery inside your remote keys of an Audi A1 or S1. There it is, the key, and I'm the key warden, as you can see. First step, unlock the key and take a penny to open the back cover by lifting it up, smooth and gentle. Yeah, good job. You have to rotate a little bit, shake a little bit, but it will remove soon. Good job as well. Now you can see there is a coin battery inside. The plus pole is up, the minus pole is on the bottom side. Now we need a little flat screwdriver to get the battery, the coin battery out. It is a CR2032. Now let's install a new one. Yeah, take a brand, a good brand, because the cheaper way is that you have to replace it often. So install back, get the battery back in position. The minus pole is the bottom side, the plus pole is the upper side, and you can see there are two plastic locks on the bottom side. Under this, the battery has to be placed. Good job. Next step is to reassemble the cover. Place it on the upper side first and then push it back in position, and your key is ready to use again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.